Hello, my name is Peter Parfitt. Welcome to New Brit Workshop. This is the 4-cut test using the top that I've recently made using the Parf Guide System Mk2. What I've got here is a piece of MDF. It's just over 12 millimeters in thickness, and I've numbered the sides 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, it's called the 4-cut test because I'm making an assumption that one side's already been cut clean. Some people call it 5-cut test because you've got to cut that first side clean. That's the theory. Anyway, so I've got my first side cut clean. And you go around and you do one cut, then another, and then the final cut. And on the final cut, you take the piece of wood you've just cut and then measure it to then determine the accuracy. Now I'm going to do this all in one take, and I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that it's okay. We'll see. Oh, I've set up a clock here, and that's to prove that I'm not cheating. Or, well, it sort of proves I'm not cheating. I suppose I could cheat somehow, I don't know. But anyway, and my setup is very simple. I've got these guide pups here, a pair of Parf Super Dogs, and I'm using a standard Festool guide rail, and the guide rail is being held onto the Super Dogs with a pair of rail clips. And I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And there's the clock, fingers crossed. We'll see how it goes. Each time I'm going to just make sure I'm snugly up against those pups at the end. And this is the final cut, fingers crossed. And now this is the piece that we measure. Now we've got to measure, first of all, we've got to measure its length, and it is 446 millimeters. 446 long, and then I've got to measure it at the two ends. This is 9.94. At the other end, it's 8 point. At the other end, it's 9 point. It's varying slightly. It depends how hard. I just realised how hard I press on here. I've got to be consistent. I'm just going to re-measure this again and try and apply the same pressure. So let's have a look. That is 9.98 this time. Interesting. And this is 9.0. So 9.98 and 9.00. So what I now have to do is to take one away from the other, and it makes 0.98. Then I need my calculator, and I have to then take 0.98, divide it by the length, which was 446, and then divide by 4. And that equals 0.00054993. So that's what that equals there. That's that calculation. Now the clever ones amongst you will know what that means, but I believe that gives you the angular measurement in radians. And so if you divide by 2 pi and multiply by 360, you get the degrees out. Let me see if I can do that. I haven't got pi on there. I'm sorry about that, but I didn't have pi on this calculator, so I had to nip into the house. Anyway, 0.0005493 radians equals 0.03147 of a degree. I think that's pretty good. I'm sure you will too. I hope so. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.